All right, welcome back. So in this video, first thing I want you to do if you're on a Mac is grab this little icon here and drag this down to the trash bin so we can eject it. And then the next thing I want you to do is hold the command and hit spacebar and type in Firefox, and that should find you Developer Edition right here. The other way to do it on a Mac is you can also go to the Finder and then find the application there. Now, the thing I want you to do is I want you to right-click on this icon, and this is on a Mac and PC. Right-click, and on the PC, pin this to the taskbar. On a Mac, go to Options and keep in the dock, okay? So it's going to verify Firefox Developer Edition. We're going to hit Open, and then it should open up here, and then we're ready to go. And there you go. Beautiful. So the one thing I want you to do, and I'm going to close out Safari here. Let's show. Okay, let's close Safari, and then I'm going to remove Safari from the dock. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go to google.com again. We're going to type in Firefox Developer Edition, and then I want you to go to the website, and we're going to look at some of the features that are included with Firefox Web Developer Edition or Developer Edition. Okay. So right here you have, I'm just going to go over kind of their blurb. The browser made for developers. So all the latest developer tools in beta, plus experimental features like multi-line console editor and WebSocket inspector, a separate profile and path so you can easily run it alongside release or beta Firefox. Preferences tailored for web developers, browse and remote debugging are enabled by default, as are the dark theme and developer toolbar button. Okay. Inactive CSS, Firefox DevTools now grays out CSS declarations that don't have an effect on the page when you hover over the info icon. Okay. Firefox DevTools, the new Firefox DevTools are powerful, flexible, and the best of all, hackable. This includes the best-in-class JavaScript debugger, which can target multiple browsers and is built-in React and Redux. Okay. Master CSS Grid, Firefox is the only browser with tools built specifically for building and designing with CSS Grid. These tools allow you to visualize the grid, display the associated area names, preview transformations on the grid, and much more. Fonts panel, the new fonts panel in Firefox DevTools gives developers quick access to all the information they need about the fonts being used in an element. Okay. Build and perfect your sites with Firefox DevTools. So you have the inspector, console, debugger, network, storage panel, responsive design mode, visual editing, performance, memory, and style editor. So these are some of the key features that they offer. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.